Hi mamas, hope you're doing well. This is Bharti Goyal. I'm a childbirth educator and a prenatal yoga specialist, and today we'll be talking about how to know if your baby is getting enough milk. New moms are often concerned about their milk supply and are worried that their baby is not getting enough milk, especially because you can't really measure how much milk the baby is taking in directly through the breast. So today I'll be telling you 3 simple rules that you can follow to ensure that your baby is well fed. First of all, it is very important to know that the size of the baby's stomach is really small. On the day the baby is born, the size of their stomach is just 5 ml. That is the size of a marble. So even the small amount of colostrum that you are producing is enough to keep the baby nourished for the first 2 days. By day 3, the size of the stomach increases to 20 ml or the size of a ping pong ball, and this increases to about 60 ml by day 10 or the size of an egg. So it is important to remember that the baby doesn't need that much milk in the first week of their life. During this time, your body also responds to the needs of your baby as they start breastfeeding and starts producing more and more milk as the baby's stomach grows. So here are 3 simple rules that you can follow to keep track that your baby is getting enough milk. The first one is keeping track of their wet diapers. By day 5 or 6, your baby should be wetting at least 6 diapers and an additional poopy diaper. Having at least 7 dirty diapers daily means that your baby is getting enough food and is hydrated. You can also keep track of the color of their pee and poop. So the pee should be generally pale yellow. Anything darker means that they need more milk or hydration. The color of their poop changes over the course of week. Initially, the first poo is going to be like tarry black called meconium. It's going to change to greenish by day 3 or 4, and by 5 or 6, it becomes like a seedy mustard yellow, which is a sign of good digestion. Next is keeping track of your baby's weight gain. Babies tend to lose about 5 to 10% of their birth weight in the first few days after delivery. However, they gain it back within 2 weeks, and from then onwards they gain about half a kg to 1 kg per month. So if your baby is regularly gaining weight and they're growing into their clothes, it means that they are feeding well. And the last one is the baby seems content and satisfied after each feeding. So generally before you start feeding the baby, they are more agitated, moving about, maybe their fists are closed. By the end of their feed, they generally tend to become a bit relaxed, drowsy, and their fingers and fists are loose. So if the baby looks satisfied and drowsy after the feed, it means they are feeding well. So I hope you found this helpful. I'll see you with a new video soon. Till then, take care and bye-bye.